Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. Did you know that the average technical interview process has a rejection rate of over 90%? But don't worry, this video will help you beat those odds. In this comprehensive guide, I will share the most commonly asked technical interview questions along with the sample answers and expert tips. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just looking to improve your skills, this video is perfect for anyone who wants to succeed in technical interviews. So, let's dive in and start preparing for your dream job without further delay. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. And don't forget to click the like button because it's truly helped me to understand that you like my content. Question number 1. What is your favorite programming language and why? I enjoy working with Python because of its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Its extensive libraries and frameworks make it ideal for web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Question number 2. Describe the differences between monolithic and microservices architecture. Monolithic architecture is a single, self-contained unit, whereas microservices architecture consists of independent, modular services communicating through APIs. Microservices offer scalability, flexibility, and fault tolerance. Question number 3. Explain the concept of object-oriented programming, OOP. OOP is a programming paradigm that organizes code into objects with properties and methods. Key principles include encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, making code reusable and maintainable. Question number 4. How do you handle errors and exceptions in your code? I use try catch blocks to catch specific exceptions, log arrays for debugging, and provide informative error messages. I also follow best practices for error handling, such as keeping error handling separate from business logic. Question number 5. What is your understanding of database normalization? Database normalization is the process of organizing data to minimize data redundancy and dependency. It involves dividing large tables into smaller ones, linking them through relationships, and ensuring data consistency. Question number 6. How do you optimize the performance of a slow database query? To optimize a slow query, I analyze the query plan, index relevant columns, limit result sets, avoid unnecessary joins, and consider caching or partitioning. I also monitor query execution times and adjust accordingly. Question number 7. How do you approach testing and debugging your code? I follow the testing pyramid. Write automated tests using frameworks like PyTest or Unitest, and use debuggers like PDB or print statements to identify issues. Question number 8. What is concurrency and how do you achieve in programming? Concurrency refers to executing multiple tasks simultaneously. I achieve concurrency using threading or asynchronous programming, ensuring efficient resource utilization and improved performance. Question number 9. How do you implement security measures in your application? I follow best practices like authentication, authorization, encryption, input validation, and secure coding guidelines to ensure application security. Question number 10. What is the difference between null and undefined? Null represents an intentional absence of value, while undefined indicates an uninitialized or non existent variable. Question number 11. Can you explain the concept of memoization? Memoization is a technique that speeds up computer programs by storing the results of expensive function calls and returning them when the same inputs occur again. Question number 12. How do you approach debugging a complex issue? I follow a systematic approach. Reproduce the issue, identify the root cause, isolate the problem, and apply fixes while monitoring results. Question number 13. What is the difference between stateless and stateful architecture? Stateless architecture doesn't store client data between requests, while stateful architecture maintains session information for subsequent requests. Question number 14. Explain the concept of type inference. Type inference is a process that automatically assigns types to variables, constants, and functions in a program. The type inference system uses the program structure and context to deduce the type of an expression. This process can be done at a runtime or compile time, depending on the language and its features. Question number 15. How do you optimize database queries for better performance? I use indexing, limit result sets, avoid unnecessary joins, optimize SQL queries, and consider caching or partitioning to improve database performance. That's it for today's video on technical interview questions and answers. I hope you found this comprehensive guide helpful in preparing your next technical interview. Remember, practice is key. Take the time to review these questions and answers and practice your problem solving skills. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the topics covered, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on technical interview, coding challenges, and career development. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.